everybody, and welcome to Keto-alicious. And today I'm doing a keto product review on Love Good Fats. I found these bars and they are GMO verified. There's 12 of these bars in here and they are keto friendly. They say that right on top here. They have 3 or 4 different flavors, and I purchased the peanut butter because I love a good peanut butter chocolate bar, anything, candy, whatever it is. So I thought that would get rid of my cravings. These are considered protein bars. They have, let's see, 13 grams of carbs, but 8 of them are in fiber, and 1 of them is in added sugars or sugar, what am I trying to say? Sugar alcohols. So they are they're 9 grams of protein, and they are 210 calories for 1 bar, but they have such an amazing amount of protein in them and extra fats. You know, they keep you full. And I was actually really surprised. I had one because I was a little bit short on my macros, and I really needed to just step it up, and I needed some extra calories, I needed some extra fats and some extra proteins. And when I found this and I ordered this online on Amazon, you can go to their website, lovegoodfats.com, and check it out. But they do have them on Amazon as well. And they have some really, they're from Canada. And, you know, I have to say that, you know, the mission of this company is to have good fats into our, you know, into their bars and some of the things that they are selling. So the bars, they come in a nice package. You know, there's 12 of them in here. I think I spent, I don't know, maybe I'm trying to think, $22, $23 maybe. But you know, for me, I don't like all the full of proteins. I just really try not to do, you know, I try to do meals, but we all get busy, and to be able to grab this and throw this in my purse with a big old jug of water and know that, you know, this can be good for a meal, and, you know, and this thing kept me full for hours. I was actually really surprised. So, you know, it's not a wimpy bar, you know, it's 1.38 ounces, you know, it's pretty good size. And, you know, they're just really a great product to be able to keep with you on the go. And I'm always looking for new things that help, you know, or easy things that you don't have to cook. Anything that will help you guys stay on your journey for your weight loss. You know, if you're on the keto journey, if you're on the dirty keto journey, if you're on the lazy keto journey, if you're on the low carb journey, if you're just on, you know, your own plan, you know, it's okay. So I'm not specifying any certain diet plan. It's just, these would be really good. They're really healthy. They have all natural products in them, a lot of organic products, peanut butter, organic, coconut oil. So, you know, they have stevia extract to sweeten them, you know, and then they're just full of fiber. And one thing I think that we have to be really careful with is, you know, we need to get our fiber in. And for me personally, I don't get enough of my fiber. You know, they say that the average amount of fiber that you should be getting every single day is 30 grams. Well, you know, when I try to get my fats in, when I get my proteins in, when I get the right amount of calories in, you know, and my net carbs, keeping those low, sometimes my fiber is really low. So I supplement, and I take psyllium husk caplets. And sometimes if I make breads, I put psyllium husk in it, but just on a daily basis so I get enough of my fiber in. I take a couple of those tablets, my capsules, before like lunch, and then I take it before dinner with a full glass of water. So it does two things. Fiber, if you take it about a half hour before you eat, will fill you up and it'll help you if you're feeling hungry. So there you have it, guys. So try these bars. Try these Love Good Fats. And try if you're feeling, if you're feeling hungry, try the fiber. Anyway, there they are. Love Good Fats. That's a peanut butter flavor. And try psyllium husk caplets if you're feeling hungry. Drink lots of water, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you try these bars. Feel free to leave me a comment below if you try them. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are with them. I hope you're having an amazing day, guys. I love each and every one of you. I'm going to keep this short and sweet today. I just wanted to give you a wonderful bar that I found, and hopefully you get to enjoy too. So I'll talk to you soon. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the bell above. Never miss one of my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.